My fellow Sierra Leoneans, on this 3rd day of May 2024, I bring another message of patriotic depression. As a Middle State, being a Sierra Leonean or a patriotic Sierra Leonean, it's not only depressing, it is exhausting. See, when you think, say, you don't reach the highest level of incompetence or the lowest level of abject failure, you see the Minister of Works, a topper like cherry on top of a cake. My fellow Sierra Leoneans, you're going to watch a video. Let me preview the video for let you understand the foolishness and the incompetence where they happen in our country. Today, the Minister of Works assembled the deputy ministers and the permanent secretaries and employees of the Minister of Works for dedicate the repair of the broken lifts now you rebuild the way don't broke for 2 years. No, not a mistake I make. Truly, I don't make a mistake. Let us say I'm again one more time. Today, the Minister of Works assembled, get a press conference with SLBS or SLBC, pull the permanent secretary, pull the deputy minister, for can dedicate the repairs and the handing over of the broken lift to a Chinese team. You self will see the video. You can't make this up, Nasario. You cannot make this up. This is the highest level of foolishness and the highest level of incompetence. I can see people that dedicate a new lift, but you don't dedicate the repairs of a lift. We don't broke for 2 years. Under your government, where you know repair. Instead of you go in the dead of night for go repair them, and let begin work, let us say the lift now you rebuild in the work. You get a press conference, pull SLBC. You take the government resources were limited, pull employees from the work na SLBC. Pull you the minister, wait for the work for repair roads and build hospital. And change away for work for the government and build schools. Pull the deputy minister away for the work on plans for build new schools, new hospital, repair PCMH. Pull the permanent secretary for the Ministry of Works. Wait for the work right now, defend contractors for repair PCMH and Connaught Hospital. You pull them all, go to UU building for the dedication. Listen to the video.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning. As we can you building today, the Ministry of Works and Public Assets, they can do the handing over of the lifts for repair. So we will let Leone just stay.
Good morning. From there this morning, Friday, the 3rd of May. Here with my Deputy Minister, Madam Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Works and Public Access, Madam the Secretary, Madam Kati Mansari, the Minister of Works and Public Access. They are again with the Social Consultants. We deal with the public facility manager, Mr. Haraway. We deal with BA, of course, with the deputy minister, and we deal with BA. This is the Chinese team for delegation. We don't come and for them for fixed this new building lift, whether that of people for almost 2 years now. This is a waging company, and luckily they will not take part in the construction of this new building from the 1977 to 1978. So they don't come for fixes lifts. And there I Mr. Dumbuya, the team, and there I Mr. Suleiman. So, family, this is a short program. I'm going to tell you, say, this government, what I knew direction of the government, the second term, I'm concerned about infrastructural development and the maintenance of those infrastructure over time. So you'll be there like a very important edifice when it comes to government ministries and the country. And again, it's a very attractive, structure when it comes to civil service reforms. So they are this morning for communicating to all and sundry that yes, the Chinese guys are here. The guy from them, and me as minister, we will just go like the assurance, inshallah, and God's grace, in the shortest possible period of time. This and as Minister of Work and Public Assets, we want to do everything with limits. For instance, yes, civil servants are convenient and comfortable going to their offices, and of course, the maintenance of government infrastructure will continue to be adhered. So equal now to the Chinese team, then again, you want them to talk small, and then when I ask you questions, then they will all go celebrate that yes. So SLBC will really thank you very much for the presence now, and we'll deal with the Chinese team. So over to you, Mr. Dumbuya or Mr. Suleiman.
Okay, I'm Leone. Mr. Usman, yes, I'm the engineer for the engineering company. Go back and work in order. No, thank you.
So, Deputy Minister.
Good morning. As the Minister already said, this is 19 for the Ministry of Works and Public Assets. We get the mandate for take care of the government in assets level, and you building fall under that. So happy for there. We don't come for CK, the lifts they wrong. But the appeal to the public is that they can take care of the lift. Then they avoid for overload the lift and let them handle down properly because the government assets.
Thank you very much. Well, we do account for some of your program, then the permanent secretary not see a few words. They have been really in the forefront of all of this matter. So we just come with office on the 1st of August 2023. So about to you, Madam Permanent Secretary, how you see the program, how you see the steps, what do you need to get with it?
For me, it's a very idea, as it's funny to say, we have because we may know when we on the other side, anytime they mention we building, we have the courts. Because we left to Wameka like yesterday, so they like they be glad and we wish them well, and we hope so when they're done. Other people in back, next time, as they said, not all the normal would go call people from outside for coming, then go for maintain. And like what we DM said, we are the public, what they want for play like. What of Ministry of Works no more when it lifts don't fit. We all therefore go for play because as citizens then, don't go to be loaded, we buy loaded, how for used to be here, we all are here. We got to man, the first people in back we go be like, say, it's not the work, it's not the work. So, dear, we tell God thank you for this day and we bless all man.
Thank you. We're part of the monitoring team for the government monitor the work with this Chinese team to do. So, again, we take about 10 people. And we really therefore do as a monitor on behalf of the Ministry of Works and Public Assets.
Thank you very much, Minister. Since this morning, we don't set up the work plan, which will get a report every Monday to the Minister as well as the leadership of the ministry. So we don't set up a work plan every week. We monitor and give reports to you as Minister of this infrastructure. So that's what I said from this morning.
Thank you. We don't find out what gas minister finally, the links will become operational very, very soon. And we can start probably with the minister's links. We turn out to the civil servant links, we turn out to the store to general public links. But going forward, this is our mandate. The guy will get to this side. It's a very short program. I'm going to use this chance to say thank you very much to members of the media and journalists here present. Very short notice, are all here. And we will continue to rely on to disseminate, quality information for the consumption for our people. So thank you very much for your presence, and may God bless all of us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now that you don't listen to the video, you self see the act of, I don't even know what to call this anymore. Like I said, being a patriotic Sierra Leonean is exhausting. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. A country, they will not even get light for one this lift self where they want repair. And if you listen to the minister, they get lifts by class. They get 3 sets of lifts. The lift where for the minister, they first they fix. Because the minister, there's 6 where they then forget the lift where they go up and come down. The minister in your lift. Now first for fix. Not only people they lift, then the second lift where they for fix are the civil servants they all lift. And then the humble Sierra Leoneans them. When they pay the minister their salary in this country, now they don't lift last with the fix. And by the way, why should we have a class society? Why, when the minister cannot go stop people and let the minister and go up and lift? Why we should have a minister's lift in Sierra Leone? My people, boy, being a Sierra Leonean is exhausting. You think you don't reach the lowest level? I've never seen the dedication of a broken lift in Sierra Leone. And if, first of all, the entire press conference was done in Creole, you bring the Chinese expert when I forgot repair the lift. You they talk Creole, the man in here they look like for then dear way the yes kak. The man not even know what thing that they talk about. The entire time you did not even acknowledge the engineer we come on China for can fix the lift, waiting up the man, Lord help us, Sierra Leone. My people of Sierra Leone, we have no lights, no clean water, high cost of living, no quality health, better hospital no day, better roads no day, homelessness, youths that die of kush, orphans then day, homeless speaking, unemployment at the highest level, poor educational facility. And the Minister of Works, in order to fix road, then if you get for dedicate for fix road, now one whole video show. Now one whole video show for those tie the road and a free talk. Now you know 2 days video show. And he said this is the job the government to do. And he is so proud. He is so proud, Mr. President. He is so proud for doing his job that a broken lift should receive a dedication. You cannot make this up. Finally, the Minister of Works will get the award for incompetence and foolishness. Let Lord help us, Sierra Leone. So because I say, let we fix alone. Now we don't get a so because we say let we fix alone. So no spot pass alone for go fix. He said let we start with UU building. My people of Sierra Leone, let we come together. Let we get the right people then, APC and SLPP for fix alone. The Minister of Works, Mr. President, I am appealing to you. In Deputy Minister, please, this is the first time I send a message. Relieve them. When I say relieve them, sack them publicly for this incompetence and lowest level of mismanagement that the government of President Madabio, the man we put in charge of the Ministry of Works, did dedicate a broken elevator for repairs by calling a press conference. Boy, you cannot make this up. May the good Lord help us now, Sierra Leone. It's exhausting being a Sierra Leone. My people of Sierra Leone, waiting again. What is next? When you think you've seen it all? When you think you've seen it all, Nasabo, the Minister of Works coming and atop the cake. Best performing actor in the ministry and government of President Madabio. We have a long way to go. My fellow Sierra Leoneans, let us pray. Let us pray, let us build Salon one youth at a time. one village at a time, one town at a time, one district at a time, because we don't even know where we're going. We've seen the dedication of the repairs of a broken elevator. This tops it up. Give him an award, celebrate him. He is the best minister in Saliu. Thank you.